Hi, I'm Christine, founder of the Spartans community. I help high performers create transformation, not just transactions. At kung gusto mong mag-build ng life na aligned sa kung sino ka talaga, this is your space. So, tara, samahan niyo ako mag-exercise. And this, hindi na to basta ab workout. Ito yung moment na inaayos ko yung core ko. Hindi lang katawan, pero pati emotion and spirit. Kasi I do believe that to lead others, you have to be rooted. Hindi ka makakabuo ng matibay na community kung ikaw mismo wasak ka sa loob. You cannot pour from a cracked cup. Kaya ako gumagalaw, kaya ako humihinga, kaya ako nag-lead from alignment, not ego. So yeah, this might look like 60 seconds of core work, or more than pa, pero behind every rep is a mentor rebuilding herself para mas makabuo pa siya ng iba.